Hello everyone. Good day. My name is Mr. Omo Godwin, and today we have a very interesting topic we want to consider in quantitative reasoning. People, I want you to come out with all your learning materials. Arm yourself to the teeth. Don't get distracted today because we're going to have fun and learn all the way. So I want you to come ready. I want to get focused. I want to put all your mind on what we are doing today because it actually promises to be a very interesting one. And you know, in verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, I always encourage you to come out with your thinking cap. So don't forget, when you're coming out today, bring your thinking cap. I want us to do this together because it promises to be fun. So we'll be looking at mean, mode, median, and range. Once again, we'll be looking at mean, mode, median, and range. So we have all this in our perspective today for what we want to learn, and it promises to be interesting. So we'll start off. What is mean? Now, I am quite sure you've seen this maybe somehow in your mathematics because math is very related to quantitative. So what is mean? To be simple about it, mean simply means average. Okay, means what? Average. It means average. Let this be at the back of your mind. All right, average. Average of what? It could be average of a couple of numbers, average of a couple of items, average of what you are given to set or to check. So the average is the amount that is found by adding, but how do we go about it? By adding other several quantities and then dividing them by the numbers of quantity. Now let me explain that. We have several quantities that will be given to us to look for the mean or the average, because please understand that this can be interchanged. Mean is also average. So when you see average, look for the average. Sometimes they also say average and mean. Yep. So when you're taught to look for the average, don't say, oh, Mr. Mo didn't teach us average. No. I've not learned average. I don't know how to find average. It is the same thing. Okay, so but how do you get the average or the mean of a set of number or set of items? Quite simple. What you have to do is this. You add other several quantities or items. In this case, definitely it's going to be numbers. You add other numbers together, then you divide them by the numbers of the quantity or qualities you have. Say, for example, you have like 4 tins of milk. You are told to look for the mean. Now, how many tins do I have? I have 4. So I'm going to do 1, 2, that's a plus, and 3 and 4. Divided by the number of items I have, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Easy peasy. Don't worry, we are here today and it's going to be nice. Now, let's see an example on mean. How do you calculate the mean? Now, the mean of 3, 7, 8 is equals to 6. How? Very simple. Now, we are going to take out the numbers. We are given 3, 7, and 8. Now, this is what you do first. You add the numbers 3 plus 7 plus 8 all over. Now the number of items that I was given. I was given 1 item, 2 item, 3 item. So I have 3 all together. That's 3. Is that not so? Yeah. So now what do? We sum up. 3 plus 7, that's 10. 10 plus 8, that gives me 18 over 3. So this will give me what? That gives me 6 as my answer. Is that clear? Yeah, it's clear. The same thing happens here in this second example. Find the mean of 14, 20, just those two numbers. The mean there is just 17. So you see, that's how we get our mean. You add the numbers, divide by other number. That is for mean. Then let's come to mode. Mode means the number that occurs most in a given set of numbers. You're given series of numbers, you check which number appears the most, or we can say most frequently, that's more frequently seen in the set of numbers or items that you are given. So the number that occurs most automatically becomes your what? It becomes your mode. Don't forget that. That appears the most. Occurs the most. Okay? Now, we are given an example. They said 2, 3, 2, 5, and 2. Now, which number amongst this set of number appear the most? How many 2 do we have there? 1, 2, yep, and 3. How many 3 do you see there? 1. How about 5? Just 1. So which appear the most? That means 2. So 2 automatically becomes what? It becomes my mode because it appears 3 times. It appears 3 times in this example, not twice. It appears 3 times. Alright, so that's how we look for our mode. Find the mode in this. We have 5. Alright, we have 3. There is also 2. There is 5. And we have another 5. So how many times can you see 5? 5 appear more than every other number here. It appears 3 times. Okay, so that makes 5 the mode because it occurs more than other numbers. Someone is already saying, oh, come on, this is so cheap. Yeah, it is. Median. Median. The word median is gotten from middle. So now in this we have to be very careful. The middle number, or what we call the median number, first, is a number that is at the middle. However, you must note this. You must first arrange the number. Is that clear? You must learn to arrange the number, rearrange the number in the order of the size, beginning with the smallest or from the biggest to the smallest, whichever way you want to arrange it. Then when you arrange it, you now divide this number into 2 equal parts. If there's a middle number, you are good. There's a trick to this. You have to understand if it's an even number or odd number. Alright, but for today, let's dwell on this aspect now. Find the median of 7, 4, 2, 5, and 8. What did I say we'll do first? We rearrange the number from small to big. 2, okay. 4, what's the next number? 5, good. What's the next number we should write? 7, what's the next number we should write? And 8. Alright, now I haven't done this. Discover, I have how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are, excuse me, these are odd numbers, right? This can easily be divided into 2 parts equally. I have this here on this part, 2 numbers to the right, 2 numbers to my left. I am just left with what? I am left with 5. Is that not beautiful? Yeah, the answer is 5 because 5 appears to be the middle when I have rearranged and I've also divided. Now let's see. Let's assume I'm starting my number from the biggest to the smallest. I have 8, 7, 5, 4, and 2. Where's the middle number? It is sorry, it is still 5. The middle number is still 5. So whether you arrange from small to big or big to small, you have the same answer. That's the point I was trying to be. Look at this girl. She's trying to be at the middle. She's pushing every other number away and say, hey, I am the median. Look for me. Look for me. All right, so we also have it here. The same thing we have to do here. Rearrange in ascending order. Okay, so 9, 11, 12, 20, 21, 23, and 25. It is so easy to spot out here that 20 is the middle number. Alright, so we move now to range. What is the range of a set of numbers? The range means the smallest number subtracted from the biggest number. The difference between the smallest and the biggest. So you have a set of numbers, series of numbers. You are told to look for the range. Now, looking for the range means you should do what? Subtract. Look for the small number in the set of those numbers. Look for the biggest number in the set of this number. Then you do what? You subtract. If you study this chart well, we have said the same thing. We have 17, 17 there. We have 18, 21, and 27. Now, in this chart, I'm actually explaining these guys here. Can you tell me the biggest number there? Beautiful, that is 27. What's the smallest number there? 17, beautiful. So 27 minus 17, that will give us 10. That's exactly the same thing we did over here. All right, now we look at the number. You might know there's no point rearranging here because you're not looking for the median. Okay, all right, so what do? Look for the biggest number, which is 15 in this case. Then the smallest number happens to be 3. So 15 minus 3, that gives you 12. So simple. We have other examples here. Find the range within the sets of numbers 9, 3, 13, 37, and 6. Now, the range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. Here, what is my biggest number? 37. What's my smallest number? 3. 37 minus 3, that will give me what? 34. So my range here is what? Equals 34. Beautiful answer. So, have you learned a lot? You've known what mean is, mode, median, and range. Can I have a quick one with you? Let's recap quickly. What is the mean? How do you know how to find the mean? Can you tell me how you can find the mean of a number or set of numbers? All right. So, what's the mode? How do you identify the mode? Come on, this is so simple. Off the book, just tell me. How do you identify the mode? Correct. So, how about median? I told you median is going from what? Middle. So, how do you get your median? Rearrange. Good. And the range? You subtract. Okay, nice job. Nice job. So, today we've learned mean, median, mode, and range. So, if you have a follow-up, we have a follow-up exercise for you. And I know you're going to deal with it and deal squarely with it. I trust you will do wonderfully well. So do have a nice day. So from me to you, thank you for listening. And I'd love to say bye-bye.